Hello, my friend. We will now have a topic for today about natures. Three aspects of our nature within us as a species. So, three aspects of nature within us as a species. We have animal nature, we have also human nature, and we have also divine nature in us. So, these three, well, I will make this in three video. How about this animal nature? They said this we have reptilian brain. It is more on territorial and dominance. This is the game of the day. This is also means of our survival instinct. As Darwin famous quote, survival of the fittest. How about human nature, which we will discuss in the next video. And divine nature, that comes the religious, spiritual rituals or practices. Okay. Now, in this video, I will focus on our animal nature. Usually, this is the behavior of animals that are mostly territorial and dominance in uh, c- in terms of behavior. Why I said territorial? Animals is very territorial. So, with respect to us, I can say this is also we can say this is a limited or narrow sentiments or identity. In Sanskrit, identity means ahamkara. So, with regards to our behavior in territorial, in my previous video, in our previous video, which is social needs discussion, we tackle many groups such as our family, clan, tribe, social class, race, caste, the creed, social status, education, religion, even religion have a group. I can consider this a group. And culture, gender, and even nation. In social needs, we have this feeling of belongingness. But this also interpreted territorial behaviors. Part of our animal nature is also we have this what we call dominance nature. So territorial animal nature have two distinct behavior, territorial and dominance. What is meant by dominance? You have the feeling of superplex. Since we felt that we belong to this specific group and to protect this identity, we generate superiority complex, superior emotions. Example, in terms of race, Aryans are the superior race. So let's promote it by defeating inferior race. Who said this? This is Hitler. This is my analysis on Hitler's animal nature mentality. That's why he allowed Holocaust to happen. 6 million Jews died on that tragic event of history. Territorial and dominance behavior and mentality at its peak. How about you, my friend? What is the territorial and dominance behavior and mentality do you have now? What narrow sentiments do you have now? For me, I'm not exempted to that mentality because I have also animal nature within me, just like you. But I tried my best to elevate this animal nature into a more on the other two aspects, human and divine nature of us. So to elaborate more on animal nature within us, we can see this in entertainment industries. In action movies, what are those activity there? Action movies means fighting. There's a wars. So if there is a war, means killing, slaughtering people on the process of that event. So in the name of dominance, you achieve victory, honor, superiority. In the name of territory, as part of animal nature, they achieve independence, restore their culture, their nation. Sometimes in sci-fi movies, planet Earth protection from invading aliens and so on. So they are using nuclear bombs to defeat the enemies, to defeat aliens, invading aliens. So these are all part of our animal nature. Let's talk about sports. How about in old times? In Roman empires, there is what we call gladiator fighting. Who are these gladiators? Gladiators are warriors of the defeated kingdom. In our modern terms, they are the captured soldiers taken as prisoner of war. So as part of entertainment in Roman Empire, the gladiators, they use this to fight each other, fighting between fellow gladiators, or even the gladiators fight with wild animals such as lions, tiger, bear, and so on. In our modern times, what are those? We still practice our animal nature. The sports of boxing, they show their physical strength, fighting each other. Not only boxing, wrestling, martial arts such as judo, taekwondo, karate, kung fu, and even mixed martial arts like Thai boxing. It is a combination between boxing, that's why they call it mixed martial arts. What are those other entertainments that ignite our animal nature? In Philippines, we have cockfighting. We call it sabong. In Latin America, they are using bulls or the male cattle. What are those bulls? They use red cloth. When the bulls attack them, through that red cloth, they will run away. So that is entertainment. Sometimes they are using bulls, riding at the back of the bulls. And the bulls will, once open, it's jumping and jumping. If the person is not falling down, so he won that contest. Or sometimes they use bulls. They just let it go, running on the streets, and the people run also. So if they are not hit by the ball, they are lucky. Otherwise, it becomes fatality in this entertainment. Other activity like horse. Usually in the US, horse racing, dogs racing, also in US or in I think also in Europe. In Emirates, they are using camel for racing. So these are games or sports entertainment that will excite our appetites as we have animal instinct or animal nature in us. How about the inventions of nuclear, atomic, hydrogen bombs? The main objective of this is to win the war. Whatever ideologies, capitalism, democratic, okay, monarchy, communism, but using this technology, bombs, is just part of animal instinct, a survival mechanism. It is the power of dominance. As you can see, my shirt is, will speak for itself. Okay. So we have that animal nature. Thank you. See you on the next video regarding human nature.